My name is Shubham and today we will discuss the topic is encapsulation in Java, and today's date is 12th March 2024. So let's discuss the what are the encapsulations in Java. Java is a object-oriented programming language and it has four important features. They are encapsulation, abstraction, polymorphism, and inheritance. Encapsulation is the one of the important feature of Java. Encapsulation is defined as it is a mechanism in which we bind the code or data and its associated method together. In Java, we achieve the encapsulation by declaring instance of the class or variable of the class as a private. Private is a access modifier that is accessible only within the class. And second one is getter and setter are the method that are used to read and write the fields of the data, and those methods we define as a public. So encapsulations is basically used to achieve the security for your applications. The real-time example of encapsulation is banking. In banking system, user has not directly access of their data because of security. They maintain the security of users' account and their balance. They are verify user by their OTP or identity card. So in encapsulations is the used to achieve the security. In encapsulation, the external class cannot inherit the data of encapsulated class. If we declare a setter method only, then that class is a write only, and if we declare a getter method, then that class is a read only. Second one is data hiding. In encapsulation, we declare a alt field as the private, so there is a data hiding. User cannot access the field of the encapsulated class directly. They can access the fields of the encapsulated class by using setter and getter method. Encapsulated code is easy to changes and easy to testing. So this is the about encapsulation. Now we discuss the difference between abstraction and encapsulation. Abstraction is basically used to gaining the information, and encapsulation is used to achieve the security. In abstraction, we implement abstraction is implemented by using abstract class and interface, and encapsulation is implemented by defining private field as a private and defining getter and setter methods.